All right, a little commentary on our trip yesterday. I'm going to cut this part here and put it in the front of our other videos. So the first part of our trip, we went to Lakeside Mall over outside of New Orleans. They had the Tinderbox there. We're looking for pipe and cigar shops in New Orleans, and we found a whole bunch. And the Tinderbox was one. We had no idea it was there. So that we hit there first. And it's a pretty neat little shop, little walk-in humidor. Not huge, but it's not bad. They had a great selection of McClelland's blends and some house blends. A couple GOPs. All right, so we made it down to the Tinderbox in New Orleans over at the Lakefront Mall. And this is their humidor. It's a decent-sized humidor. They have some pretty good cigars. They have some Liga Privada number 9s. One of my favorite cigars. Anyway, Rachel's smoking a little house blend. Nutty Irishman, I think. She's out there smoking that right now, so pretty cool. I didn't know they had a Tinderbox here in New Orleans. Probably would have come down here more often. So next we're headed to Bourbon Street. So hit some of their cigar shops they have down there. So stay tuned. All right, here's Rachel.
Hey YouTube.
So Rachel got some vape equipment.
I got some vape stuff. So you guys who vape
stuff.
may have to. I might be sending out some messages so you can help me out. I've been interested in getting it so I can chill in the car on the way home.
So we're gonna give that a try. We're gonna do some vape. What flavor did you get?
Irish latte.
Irish latte. So we're gonna hook that up. It's a variable voltage. What kind was it? Do you remember what it was?
Lotus.
Lotus, I think.
Something. Anyway, but I'll get some information from you guys.
Yeah.
About it. Yeah. So we're in the humidor because we weren't sure if we could video.
Yeah. So we're in incognito. We're in the humidor taping.
Yeah, but I got some pipe tobacco too, a Black Russian and a Nutty Irish.
All right, here's the Tinderbox over in the mall. We're just now coming out. I'll take you on a little tour. Oh, she got her bag full of stuff. Nice mall. You can smoke right in the shop. And then after that, we went to the French Quarter, New Orleans, and we went to
Cigar Factory.
the Cigar Factory. How's your cigar, Rachel?
It's very good. Wow, that flash is really bright. It's rum, handmade here in New Orleans.
Hey, you do, Pipe Pals! Today is the second day of our Pipes and Sounds of our hometown. And today we're going to go to, where are we going?
We're going to IHOP to eat
IHOP to eat
breakfast.
some breakfast.
Then
And
we're going to the
then
craft store to get some yarn.
going to Joanne's craft store to get some yarn.
And then we're going to Don Juan's.
Then we're going to go to Don Juan's, our local B&M. And we're going to have a pipe and a cigar. And we'll show you the place. We'll show you our local place. Cracker Barrel. Best breakfast place ever.
Honey and lemon jelly beans.
Yum.
Oh, this is the stuff. The solid hand lotion.
Oh, solid hand lotion.
Oh, you like put it in your hands and let it melt and then rub it all in.
Yeah,
It's so
good for a massage.
great for massage. Smells delicious.
So we are at Cracker Barrel. They pretty much all kind of look the same. This is the one in our hometown.
Look,
What did we just do?
we ate breakfast.
Was it delicious?
It was delicious and I might explode. Hey, I'll be getting this massage bar.
Oh. Thanks! I do need a back rub.
For later.
My feet are kind of dry. Hey Rachel, you rock.
Hey Nate.
Yeah? I rock too. Rachel's sniffing some
It's solid lotion.
solid lotion. 'Cause it's solid.
Hold it. Well, my hands are kind of cold, so 1 hour.
Your body heat melts it.
Body heat melts it. Except my hands are freezing.
This is what our road looks like.
I work
We're
right off
on-
of here.
Rachel works just down the street, off to the right. And we are on the I-12.
No, I-10.
We're on I-10. We're on I-10. We have I-10 and
We
I-12.
were on 12.
We have I-10 and I-12 that kind of crisscross each other. And we're headed downtown.
No.
Headed uptown.
We're headed to the
Sideways
craft
town.
store. Just the side of town.
We're headed somewhere in town.
Yeah, there you go.
This is so exciting.
Going to the craft store.
Flying over the road.
Oh. Going to the craft store is so exciting for me.
What's so exciting about yarn?
Can make
Ah! I thought you were going to hit me just now.
I'm not gonna hit you. I was showing them the scarf for me.
Oh.
I can make scarves like this.
Rachel, wait up. Why are you walking so fast?
Because we're going to the craft store.
Oh!
My favorite place to go.
Rachel's favorite store. Did you find your yarn? No.
Kind of. It's not beautiful.
This is what the storefront looks like. Don Juan Cigar Company. They're not open yet. They open at 12. We still have 45 minutes. So we're gonna wander over here. Whole Foods. So we're headed to Whole Foods. We're gonna pick up some snacks and come back over here to Don Juan's. Alright, so here's Don Juan's. They got some pipes, some Meerschaums, some Nordings, some baskets down at the bottom, some tobaccos up there. There's some Petersons down here. Some house blends. Lounge. Lighters. Lots and lots of cigars. And a walk-in humidor. Good size humidor. Military mount?
Yeah. Got it for $60. That same model
collection. You'll discover the secrets that all great golfers have in common and how you do get achievement. Without sharing the lead, somebody in contention
Yeah, it would have been
back to our
Thanks, Terry. Welcome to the Golf Center. Randall Chambly and Noah Begay. No Tiger, no Till, no 20 of them within a couple of shots of the lead as this final day of the finals.